In this very video, we are going to solve question number 8. Question number 8 of exercise 12.2. Question number 8 is a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Find number 1 the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Number 2 the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Use pi 3.14. देखो बेटा क्वेश्चन इस तरह है. वी हैव ए स्क्वायर पार्क. इस तरह ये स्क्वायर पार्क है. दिस द स्क्वायर पार्क whose side is 15 meter. Let the name of the square park is ABCD. सवाल छ वनान horse is tied with a peg at the corner. Yethen छ मियख अख ठासना. अथ छ गुड़ गंडन. And the length of the rope is 5 meter. इत कट जीठ राज 5 मीटर. हार्स इत कट खेवान घास. वो इस तरह एक सेक्टर बनाता है. As you know, each angle of the square is 90 degree. This will become this 5 meter as the radius of the sector. ठीक है ना? So we have to find the area of this sector. Is it clear? Let A, B, C, D be a square with side equals 15 meter. As the horse is tied at the corner, and it can graze in a sector. Therefore theta is equal to 90 degree sector angle, because each angle of square is equal to 90 degree. R is equal to 5 meter. Length of rope. Therefore area of sector का एरिया होगा थीटा अपॉन 360 into pi r square. Its theta is 90 degree upon 360 into pi 3.14 into pi r square. 3.14 into 5 square. 0 will cancel with 0. 9 1s are 9 4s are. That is 3.14 into 25 divided by 4. जब हम इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं, it is 78.5 upon 4. That is equal to 19.625 square meters. ये हो गया एरिया ऑफ दैट सेक्टर इन विच द हॉर्स कैन ग्रेज. अब दूसरा पार्ट जो इसका है, the increase, find the area of the increase in the grazing area. Increase in the grazing area as radius is equal to, now length of the rope is equal to 10 meter. Now length of rope is equal to 10 meter. इतनी शी गंडित इथ कॉर्नरस पे मगर राज शमस ज्याट रावण, इसलिए बनाइए सेक्टर ते बोर्ड. Therefore R is equal to 10 meter. थीटा शी है 90 degree. Area kudis area has carry I'm sit graze area is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This time you will use 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into 10 square. That is 0 0 cancel. 9 1s are 9 4s are. It is 3.14 into 100 divided by 4. That is 314 divided by 4. 314 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 7s are 28. 28 adretre game 4 8s are 32. 4 5s are 20. it is equal to 78.5 square meters. What is the increase in the area? Therefore increase in area. Gordoneth ओस कतिस एरियास खेवन 19.625 वन कतिस खेवन 78.5 78.5 minus 19.625 os na already यहाँ खेमज atne result in square meters, that is the increase in the area. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is a brooch is made with silver wire. Brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle, okay, with diameter 35 millimeters. Diameter is now 35 millimeters. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters, which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors. Find the total length of silver wire required. The area of each sector of the brooch. देखो बेटा क्या है, एक सर्कुलर ब्रोच है जो सिल्वर वायर से बना हुआ है कि यहाँ तार लागना, अमुक मतलब गो सर्कमफ्रेंस, ठीक है ना। अब इसमें 5 डायमीटर्स यूज किए गए। डायमीटर नंबर 1 ये आग डायमीटर, this is second diameter, this is third diameter, this is fourth diameter, and this one is fifth diameter. अमो पांचों डायमीटर सु 10 सेक्टर बनन, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. पहले हमें बताना व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द सिल्वर वायर। सिल्वर वायर की लेंथ होगी एक तो ये सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल प्लस 5 डायमीटर्स, ठीक है। इस लिखो यथ मज डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 35 मिलीमीटर, number of diameters is equal to 5, therefore length of wire used, length of wire used is equal to circumference of circle, circumference plus 5 diameters, 5d. circumference is 2 pi r plus 5 into d हो गया 5d. it is 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius. अगर diameter 35 है, therefore radius is equal to 35 upon 2, 35 upon 2 plus 5 into 35, 5 diameter. 2 and 2 cancels, 7 5s are 35, 110, ठीक है ना, प्लस 5 5 25 5 से 15 जगह 7 175, that is equal to 285 millimeter. This is the length of wire used for making this brooch. क्या अथ मज circumference बे गई 5 diameter अमकी अमित बनावन. As whole angle is equal to 360 degree, number of sectors is equal to 10, therefore angle of each sector, हर एक सेक्टर का एंगल कितना बनेगा 360 upon 10, it is 36 degree. Therefore area of each sector, therefore area of each sector, it is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. It is theta is 36 upon 360, 22 upon 7, r square 35 upon 2 into 35 upon 2. This 36 1 is r, 36 10 is r. Moklev yak 2 1 is r, 2 11 is r. Moklev yiti at kya draw 11 into 35 into 35 divided by 10 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, that is 11 7s are 77 into 35 divided by 4. You will calculate it and you will get the result, that is in square millimeter. मीटर्स। अगर कैलकुलेशन इसकी देखेंगे वो बनता है इसका 77 इंटू 35 डिवाइडेड बाई 4, you will get the result, huh? That is the answer. Bas, finish.